Hi guys, Steve from Concept Sharpening here. Again, actually I haven't been here for a while. Today I want to show you something that can make your life easier if you ever get one of these Rusk thinners with this screw. You have a UFO screw on one side and a flathead on the other side that is almost impossible to tighten, set, take apart. What I wound up doing is I was lucky enough to have one of these third arms from when I used to build race cars, and I set it up with a flathead screwdriver. And what I do is I set it right in here in place, take my UFO tool, go in, and I give it a little turn and I tighten it. Very simple, very easy. It'll make your life much simpler. You'll go crazy trying to figure this out. Have a good day.